the channel. Today we're going to replace the ends on an extension cord. This one is about 25 years old. It's a good cord, but it lost its grounding plug or its neutral plug, and the contacts are starting to show its age and everything. So we're going to go through, we're going to cut the ends off, and I'll show you how it's done. As you can see, this has some nice little kinks to it. It's been moved around a little bit, so we're going to cut it off back here. So we're just going to come around here, cut it. We have our female connector. Got a band, we'll take that off. You got 3 screws in the front. So what we're going through is go ahead and unscrew them 3. So now what we want to do is we want these two to be the same. So we want the green wire, we know goes to the center post. The black wire, we don't really know which one's the black wire. So what we're going to do is we're going to stab that black one first. Come down here. So with the ground on the top, this is black, this is white, this is green. This one's always green. So now we know this one's black. So that's how we're going to put it together. So we're going to come back about an inch, inch and a half. And you just want to cut the outer sleeving. You don't want to nick. If you nick any of the white, black, or green, go ahead and just cut that off and do it again. You trim it back down this way and start over. It comes off. Now, if you want to know how much to take off, they do have a little guide inside here if you look. They'll tell you where the insulation is and how much to stick over. Well, you might be able to see it, I don't know. But so, like I said, this is 10 gauge solid. My meter is going to shut off, so we'll just turn it off. We need to put our metal container on. Slide that on, your boot on. Straighten your wires back out. That's always green. By our meter, we know this is black on the existing cord, and this is our white. So what we're going to do, so this will be our black side. We're going to put our wire right between these two right here, and then we're going to screw it tight and going to clamp it down, and we'll be good. We know green's on the top. Slide a metal ring back up here on the back. And the purpose of this metal ring is so when you're like pulling on it, it's not actually pulling on your wires up here. All the stress is now on this steel band. Anything you got to plug in, grinders, drills, anything you need to replace the end on, that's how simple it is. So, hope you found this video informative. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye.